Hi viewers, today we're taking you inside one of the most jaw-dropping vehicles you'll see in 2026, a motorhome off-roader that blends extreme adventure capability with five-star luxury. At first glance, it looks like a futuristic fortress, on wheels, built to tackle deserts, mountains, snow, and everything in between. But the real magic begins the moment you step inside. The cockpit is straight out of a sci-fi movie, with a panoramic windshield offering a commanding view of the road. Two fully adjustable leather captain's chairs with heating and massage, and a wraparound digital dashboard that controls everything from navigation to suspension height. Behind the cockpit, the space opens up into a lounge area that feels more like a high-end apartment than a vehicle. Plush leather sofas with diamond stitching line the sides, paired with a smart coffee table that hides storage and a built-in wireless charger. The lighting is fully ambient and customizable, so you can switch from a bright working environment to a soft, relaxing glow with just a voice command. A huge 65-inch 8K OLED TV folds down from the ceiling for movie nights, and it's hooked up to a surround sound system that could rival a professional cinema. Moving further back, you'll find the kitchen, compact but loaded with tech. There's an induction cooktop, smart oven, full-sized fridge, and even a built-in espresso machine. Countertops are quartz for durability, and storage cabinets open and close with a gentle touch. Right next to the kitchen is a sleek dining nook, perfect for 2 to 4 people, with a view out of large tinted windows. The bedroom is pure comfort. A king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, luxury bedding, and hidden underbed storage. At the push of a button, blackout shades drop down, and the room becomes a private retreat. Across from the bedroom, the bathroom boasts a rainfall shower, heated floors, a full vanity, and even a washer-dryer combo unit. Now, since this is an off-road motorhome, the engineering under the skin is just as impressive as the interior. It's built on a heavy-duty all-terrain chassis with adaptive air suspension, massive all-terrain tires, and a hybrid powertrain that delivers incredible torque while keeping things eco-friendly. Solar panels on the roof feed into a large battery bank, meaning you can live off-grid for days without running the engine. This 2026 motorhome off-roader isn't just a way to travel, it's a way to live anywhere, in complete comfort, while being ready for whatever the road throws your way. Whether you're parked beside a quiet mountain lake, deep in the desert under a sky full of stars, or on a snowy ridge miles from the nearest town, this machine keeps you safe, warm, and connected. The rear garage is another standout feature, big enough to carry an ATV, dirt bikes, or even compact adventure gear like kayaks and foldable e-bikes. It has its own hydraulic lift system, so loading and unloading is effortless no matter the terrain. For those who love tech, the control systems are a dream. A central tablet and mobile app let you monitor tire pressure, battery health, solar charging levels, water tanks, and even interior temperature from anywhere. The off-road navigation system uses satellite imaging to map out routes even when there's no cellular signal. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. It comes with 360-degree cameras, radar-assisted collision avoidance, and an advanced traction control system to keep you steady on rough ground. One of the most remarkable aspects of this motorhome is its self-sufficiency. The water purification system can draw from lakes or rivers and make it drinkable. Waste management is automated, so you don't have to worry about frequent stops. The climate control system is powerful enough to handle extreme heat and freezing. Cold, keeping the interior perfectly comfortable year-round, and while it's built tough, it doesn't compromise on style. Every detail feels premium, from the hand-stitched leather to the brushed aluminum accents, from the soft, close cabinets to the panoramic skylights that flood the interior with natural light during the day. When night falls, you can open the retractable roof section for stargazing without stepping outside. This 2026 motorhome off-roader is more than transportation. It's a mobile sanctuary for explorers. It's built for people who refuse to choose between comfort and adventure, for those who want to wake up somewhere new every day without sacrificing the feeling of home. It's a bold statement